Hi guys, so today we're gonna go through some clothes that I got as hand-me-downs and talk through them. Usually I'm on the side of donating instead of being donated to, so this is a really different angle, a really different look at what we're normally used to seeing on this channel. And because I know that I'm really not likely to keep every single one of these, I'm going to fill up these diaper boxes, either one or both. Really just depends on how many I decide to keep. So let's dive in. So all of these clothes are actually from my sister. Okay, not too sure about some of them just because we have different styles. Oh yeah, I like this. That's a good coat that I knew I wanted. Usually I'm the one who is decluttering and donating, and this time it's her. My sister and I, we tend to be around the same size, but we have different shapes, different styles. She buys a lot of her clothes at like a regular women's size, and while she has a little bit longer torso, I have longer legs, maybe a little bit longer arms, and actually I don't know if I do have longer arms, but I tend to prefer my sleeves be longer. I hate whenever I have clothes that are just too short. If I raise my arms, I want my sleeves to stay with them. I don't want them going all the way up here. I'd prefer them stay down here. So some of these I feel like just aren't going to work for that reason. Oh, I like this. While I do think some of these are really cute, I don't know if they're going to really work for me. Like, example, yeah, this is already like too short. So yeah, probably not this. I'm gonna say probably not this either. I also work from home. I work full-time in finance and I work from home 5 days a week. I'm gonna put that as a maybe. I'm gonna put my maybes over here. Polka dots aren't usually for me, but I might try this on. I will not be trying on my clothes, these clothes for you guys today, sorry. Oh yeah, these are like pajamas. Ooh, that would be way too short for me. I also really, even though I do tend to have a shorter torso than she does, I also prefer longer shirts. Like I love like a good tunic. What was I just saying? Oh, I like that. I feel like this could, oh yes, I do like a good tunic that's like a longer shirt. So even though this might not be as long as I like it, I could always put like one of my tanks underneath that just is a little bit longer to give it the extra length. But I really do like the texture of this. I don't know if you can see that, but I love the color. And that would be perfect. What size are these? No. I'm very picky on my sweatpants too, and those are small. Those are men's smalls. I like all my sweats to be really loose. No. This is probably gonna be too short for me. Man, I have such a hard time when it comes to finding good clothes that actually fit me. Oh, those are cute. So these would be, okay, so then the other part is that she wears regular length and I always have to go like tall, long, extra long. Whatever stores sell long clothing for women who are tall is where I have to shop. So Maurice's actually does sell like a tall version of clothes, but even those aren't actually long enough for me. It's so weird. Like, yeah, just doesn't work. So I can't really buy their pants, but this is a regular, and so what I'm thinking is that these could be really cute for me to wear, and they would go like, I don't know, like above my ankles. Not quite capris, but yeah, I think they would look cute. So we're gonna try them, especially when I do have to travel in to the office. I feel like that, yeah, that'd be cute. Okay, I could wear these too. We'll try it. We'll try them. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, I like that. I love like a good spaghetti strap tank that's extra loose, extra long. Yeah, I like that. You can put it under cardigans, you can put it under sweaters, you can put it under whatever you want. They just work. I'm not a huge fan of the lace, but you know what? I can work with this. Just the fact that they're long, meaning I can do anything with them, is my favorite part. Yeah, I could try it. No. Oh, I actually wore this shirt. So I live in Iowa. I don't know if you guys knew that. I don't tend to like to give my exact location for privacy, but I feel like it has been very clear before that I do in fact live in the Midwest, Iowa specifically. So we went to Adventureland, like, gosh, what was it? Had to have been like 8 years ago at this point, and I wore this. I borrowed it from her because I was like, ooh, I like that. So she finally gave it to me. Not that it actually doesn't fit me yet, but I love it so much, and they don't sell those shirts anymore. So I will take it and save it. Is this long enough? No, I don't think that's the right size. We are about like the same size around. I have more tummy because I've had 2 kids, and I've always measured like super far ahead in my pregnancies, so I had extra stretch. And then she hasn't had any kids, but she likes a little bit more of the like the snugger fit. I like the looser fit. Ooh, I like those. So I don't know that I'm necessarily gonna keep all of these, but I love good loungewear, and that's exactly what I'm thinking they'll be used for. Ooh. Also, my favorite leggings of all time are the Old Navy Active, like the Go Dry. They stopped making them while I was pregnant with Malcolm, and it absolutely infuriates me that I can't buy them anymore, because as they get worn, I need to, you know, restock. It makes me mad. But my sister would buy the regular length, and I would always buy the tall. So even though these are the regulars, I love them so much, I'll wear them. Yeah, I could wear these. The pants are all gonna be kind of a gamble if I really like them or not. Ooh, that's cute. Okay, yeah, I like that. Nope, I'm sorry. These aren't gonna be long enough. These are like Nike Capri, where they end right under your knee. And if these are the regular fit, they're gonna end like right above my knee, and I don't really want that. Oh man. I can try these. Getting into some t-shirts now. No, those are gonna be short arms. Why do women's clothes have to be made so short? Why? Oh, you know what else is the worst? Maternity pants. Like, no one makes extra long or extra tall maternity wear. And it's really irritating, because some of us who have the need for tall or long clothes can't ever find them when they're pregnant, when they're making babies. So, oh, she actually got 2 of these. Oh, right. Ooh, this is the bigger one. Oh, yeah, I definitely like that. Ooh, I like this one. I like that actually. That feels really nice. That too. I like that. What else? What else? No. Oh, love this one. This is the same one. Yes, I love these. I'm so sad that I don't fit them right now, but you know what? That's good motivation. Okay, I could use another sweater. Oh, yep, another sweater. Can't have too many of those when you work like in a professional dressy setting and you need to dress up. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that too. Ooh, my sister and I are big Friends fans, even more so her. So I get this. She didn't like this because it was too loose. It was too oversized. So that means it's perfect for me, because I love the oversized stuff. Ooh, she's also a big Caitlin Clark fan. And I guess a lot of Caitlin Clark's stuff is really oversized. And so she bought herself a large, and it was like way bigger than she expected. So then she got herself a medium, and it was perfect. So that means that I will love this. I'm not like a big sports person, to be very honest with you. I could care less about most sports. But I think it's really cool that Caitlin Clark came from Iowa, and yeah. Oh, Kansas City. My sister is also a Royals fan. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Love that. Okay. A lot of these are probably just gonna be like pajamas for me. Yeah, that's cute. Ooh, love. Oh my gosh. See, last time I wore these, I was in high school cheerleading. It's funny that I'm about to have some more. I actually decluttered my old ones from cheerleading, but I think those are a different style, different length. So I might actually like those. What's this? No. See, I'm sure this might fit me, but I will never wear it. So I'm just gonna part ways with it now. Being realistic with myself, just because you can get free clothes doesn't mean you need them. Ooh, I like that. Which, speaking of, I'm just gonna let go of these because I'm probably, yeah, I don't really want those. And these are the same. I really prefer like darker colors, and even though this is a darker, like deeper tone, I'm not really a big fan of the highlighter lime yellow green. I like those. That's cute. That's cute. These are good loungewear. I like that. When you don't have to leave your house most days, it's fine. I like those. Nah. I like that. She said she was going to give me a bunch of socks. And I need some. So, ooh, I like those. Honestly, I'll probably just keep all of these because I can wear them around the house. So, I don't really care what pattern they are. Socks are socks for me. All right. So, I only filled up one diaper box of my sister's old clothes. And I probably will add to it when I try these on in private and go through and figure out what I'm donating, but I feel pretty good. I did not need all of those clothes. Neither did she. That's why she was getting rid of them. And I'm so glad that she asked me if I would be willing to take them off her hands. Actually, she FaceTimed me while she was going through them and showed me each one. And I was like, okay, yes, yes, no, 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 no. I was trying to be really realistic before having her go through the hassle of giving me these clothes. But she knows full well that there's a lot that I probably won't keep, but she just wanted to give me the opportunity to try them first. So don't be afraid to take hand-me-downs from people. Don't be afraid to go secondhand. It's okay to donate, and it's okay to take on somebody's old things. It's upcycling, it's recycling. There's no need to go out and buy everything brand new if you don't have to. If someone's offering you something for free, be realistic with yourself. Don't take it just because it's free. Take it if you would actually use it. That's the lesson here today. Sometimes I am on the opposite end of the donation instead of being the one donating. So remember, reduce, reuse, recycle, upcycle. Don't be afraid of secondhand. Don't be afraid of hand-me-downs. I know we joke about it of like being the middle child or the youngest and always having to have hand-me-downs. And trust me, I've been through it. My sister gave me a lot of her hand-me-downs for so many years before we had different body types and our parents accepted that we needed different clothes. But now that we're adults, it doesn't hurt for me to just try things on and see what works for me and if I can use them before going out and buying a bunch of new things for myself. My body's been through a lot in the last couple of years between pregnancy, postpartum. I feel like my body's finally getting back to the point after 18 months, finally getting back to the point where I'm fitting into my other clothes. But there are just some that I'm cutting my losses and I'm just saying whatever, it can go. But yeah, so thanks for coming along with me. Go ahead and like this video, share it with your friends, anybody who needs a reminder that secondhand and hand-me-downs are good. If you like decluttering, if you like simplifying your life, or just kind of whatever's going on in my life, you live and you learn, so learn from me. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.